Getting ready to ship out a lady's stuff. Been here for about a week from the auction. Didn't realize it, so time to get her packed up and shipped out. Let's see, this is going to be the biggest part of it. Let's put it down at the bottom. And we're going to take some of the small linens here and stick them on the side. Take these, stick them in here. And we're taking a little bit of paper and wrap up these glasses. Put those back on the top. Stick that in like so. Go ahead and pull us off about 3 or 4 sheets of that. Five more of it. Maybe one. Two. Three. 4, one more. 5. All right. Get these wrapped on up here. $50 items at the auction. Now we cook on hot glue. Okay. There, we got to put a little bit of packing in there. We use this shredded cardboard like this. Right here, put it on the sides. Keep them glasses from being right on the side. Put another piece right there. Stick that in like so. Stick another one down in the middle of it. Another piece of this right here. Get over in this corner. Go. Yeah, we got, what is this thing here? We better wrap it up too. I want this butter dish of some sort. Cardboard down. piece of that tissue paper. Right about him. Now on that side, we're going to work this one way down here in the middle. And we're going to get this right on the top. Back this up here. Snug as a bug. Just cut a piece of tape on that. Alright, and now we're going to flip over here to the cash register. Postal mate. Close that up. Close that up. Here. 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 And the zip code is going to be 12 pounds. Pack. Ground, $10 on that. Yes. We're going to do FedEx. Next. 25 and 10. Back into awesome software. Flex. Fill out. And go back to closed auctions. And go back to one. Settlement. 1064. The credit number. The bottom, we have price charge, we have shipping and handling. Right, 24 hours. That's part of it. So cancel that out. Take a piece of paper on this. Take a piece of tape. Put it down there on the bottom. Yeah, Johnson. There. Let's see if this guy here, this ticket go through. We got him in, he's on April 4th. Let's go back to auctions. April 4th, settlement. Going to 1081. Man, I hate these people that buy stuff and then the credit card doesn't go through. Can't get paid. You know, packed it up. Add statement. Global payments. Let's see if this one goes through. decline, retry in 2 hours, in 24 hours, all right? That was off, all right? There must be some kind of deal with the auction company. I may better call them. Let's go back to here. We're gonna cancel this package. Yes. So we got her in there for $35, so, all right. Time out.